Alright, bounce.
Oh my gosh, Chris.
We're
getting really old.
You know what's getting old? Your attitude.
Before I murder him.
Hey, welcome back to the channel. So last episode I got in trouble again with Captain Wifey. So after I woke up from my indiscretion, we jumped back on the bike and headed to Harrisburg.
I'd love to see a moose.
A moose on the loose. It's shaping up to be a beautiful day, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
I need one of your pink bags to go around the head of that
Oh, okay.
camera.
Okay.
I was just thinking about that. I think that'd work a lot better.
Yeah, because they cinched, so it wouldn't come off.
Yep.
Okay, I have one in the dresser at home. I was wondering what they were doing now, because are they turkey hunting, you think?
I'm not sure. That was fun. Wow, look at that place.
Home.
They have my tractor.
They have my house. Did you see that bona fide bovine back there?
Bona fide what?
Bovine.
I did not see the bona fide bovine.
I think you should turn around to see the bona fide bovine.
I don't feel that I should. What in the world are they growing here?
That old barn.
Holy mackerel, that is an old barn. That'd be a cool picture in the fall.
Mm-hmm. It is in the fall.
Well, no, I mean...
like more fall?
Yeah. And more fallish. And full fall.
And full fall. Okay.
Yes, full fall.
Got it.
Yeah, I really do like this campground though.
I do too.
Pine Grove Furnace or Pine
It's Pine Grove Furnace.
Pine Grove Furnace.
Through like the charcoal hearth.
Horse Killer Road.
I like that they put up rocks and not like, oh, I guess there is street signs. Are we headed back to camp or are we headed to civilization?
We're headed to Harrisburg.
Okay.
To the Capitol Complex.
We like stuff like that.
Yeah, we do. Hello?
Hello? What you doing?
We're almost there.
I'm getting nibbly.
So am I. So am I. So I take it we're not going to eat at Cinco de Mayo or Montezuma's Revenge.
I don't know if we're gonna make it.
So it's only 11
Are we gonna make it?
It's only 11 o'clock. If we get a snack, we can eat at Montezuma at 1.
Okay, well, where can we get a snack? Because we need a snack.
Do we?
Yeah, we need a snack.
Oh, okay. Well, there should be snacky stuff downtown.
Okay. Oh, I'm back.
10 more minutes,
Okay.
and we'll be downtown.
Okay.
We'll be at our destination.
My headset's crapping out. Like, the music's not even playing anymore. It's pissing me off.
Did you push the back button?
I did. It won't even do anything.
Oh.
I'm gonna have to get my phone out and fiddle. Okay, bye.
Alright, what are you yawning for?
I slept terrible last night, just so you know.
I'm sorry. What's that for? What is that?
It's a fireman? I don't know.
Looks like a fireman, didn't it? I think it is. Yes, it is. There's forester, I'm sorry. Alright, see any place to get some num-nums?
I don't think so.
Not yet?
Not yet, you? Oh, there's the Capitol building right there. To your right.
Got a museum right here. Another yard sale.
Cool mural.
Oh, that is a cool. A cool. Cool mural.
Yeah.
Wow, look at those look at those churches back there. Look at this church. It's so cool.
Yeah, tiny human. To the right.
Yep. It's pretty. That is a cool church, man. Historic State Street. Alright, gonna flip at you.
Okay.
What? Ow! What the hell are you punching me for?
I didn't. It was a kidney shot. You deserved it.
Kidney shot. Oh my gosh.
No why.
That is a very pretty building. It's very photogenic.
Cute dog.
Do you want to stop and take pictures?
I'm good. If you want to stop with you, but
I don't really want to stop now.
I don't either. Good. It was cool to see, though.
It was. I would like to come back and take pictures at sunset of that place.
If I see something, I'm going to yell
I
it
can't
out.
turn right there.
I'm going to yell it out if I see something I want.
Okay.
And you can turn on red.
It says no turn on red.
Monday through Friday, 7 to 9 and 3 to 6.
That's fair. Harrisburg is significantly nicer than Trenton.
Oh, yeah. But it just looks like any other capital, too, right?
Yeah. Yep.
Although the bridges are pretty cool.
Yeah.
Oh, and the Texas Roadhouse.
Tell them it's your birthday so you can sit on the hood.
Nope.
No.
No. It's not my birthday yet.
It's not.
Not yet.
Are you sure?
I am 100% sure it's not my birthday.
We then made it from Harrisburg to Gettysburg, where we went to Montezuma and had Mexican food. After that, it was time to head back to the campground, but first we had to stop by the historic roundabout.
Well, I figured out how come it's not working.
Boy.
Not connected.
You think? I can hear your music out here.
I was being a Swiftie, apparently.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up to support the channel.